This engine is going to have 30 metric tons of thrust, and the most important feature of this engine, beside the unprecedented cost effectiveness, is the fact that it is pollution free, and this is highly contrasting compared with the other European Union rockets that are financed by the European Commission, for instance, that are highly toxic and polluting, as they are releasing into the atmosphere toxic products like the hydrochloric acid. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how the first engine for the first stage for the EcoRocket Heavy looks like. We are going to use one of these for each propulsion module, and we are going to see the first complete 7 units before the end of this year. The EcoRocket Heavy has a launch weight of 5,680 tons, which makes it twice as heavy compared with the heaviest rocket currently built.